All right, boys and girls, in front of you, you should have your pile of coins to practice with, and you should have a blank sheet of paper or a dry erase board to help you count. If you don't have that now, pause the video and go grab it. Okay, we're gonna get started. We're going to start with, let's do how much 2 dimes and 3 pennies are. So 2 dimes and 3 pennies. Get those in front of you. Now, it's really important, if you notice, I have my coins that are worth more at the start, and then I go down to the coins that are worth the least amount. It's always important when we count coins that we always start with the coins that are worth the most at the start, okay? So, in order to count these, we know that dimes, those are worth 10 cents. So I'm going to put a 10 underneath both of these, and I know pennies are worth 1 cent, so I'm going to put 1 underneath all of these, and then we can count. We already know how to count by tens and count by 1, so this is super easy. So to start, we have our dimes are worth 10 cents. We're going to start by counting by tens. 10, 20, and then we count by ones. 21, 22, 23. So 2 dimes and 3 pennies will give us 23 cents. All right, let's practice something else. This time, let's do 5 dimes and 2 pennies. So 5 dimes and 2 pennies. So remember, we're going to start with our dimes first because those are worth more. So 5 dimes and 2 pennies. All right, I know that dimes are worth 10. With 10 underneath all of these. And I know pennies are worth 1 cent. So we're going to count this just like before. We're going to start by counting by tens with our dimes, and then we're going to count by ones with our pennies. So let's go ahead and start. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. So 5 dimes and 2 pennies will give us 52 cents. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got that right. All right, let's practice with different coins now. Let's do nickels and pennies. So let's start out with 4 nickels and 4 pennies. I know that nickels are worth more than pennies, so I'm going to start with my nickels first. 4 nickels and 4 pennies. And then I'm going to write how much they're worth underneath. I know nickels are worth 5 cents. And I know that pennies are worth 1 cent each. All right, so now we can start counting. Now, we're not going to count by tens this time because we're not counting dimes. We're going to start out by counting by fives because nickels are worth 5 cents. So let's go ahead and start by counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 nickels and 4 pennies will give us 24 cents. All right, that's all we have time for today for this practice. I'll be posting some more videos later this week to help us practice counting our coins. So until then, you guys will have a Moby Max assignment that will go over identifying coins, which I covered in another video you can find, and this one, counting coins. So hope to see you guys later. Bye.